This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. There will be a severe thunderstorm watch been issued for Houston, Texas on Tuesday night and Wednesday. It's supposed to be a severe thunderstorm. Warning's going to be issued for Houston, Texas and Austin, Texas and those places. People in Houston, be prepared. Have your iPads charged. Have your 3G internet ready. And have your iPods charged. And have your tablets charged. Unplug your TVs and computers and stereos and electronics because they don't want to get a power surge. People in Houston, don't go near the trees. Stay away from the windows because it's going to be a severe thunderstorm watch for Houston, Texas. It's going to bring 50 plus millimeters of rain and the sewers will back up in Houston, Texas. A lot of rain, a lot of strong winds, possibility, golf ball sized hail to hit Houston on Tuesday, January the 8th, 2013. The thunderstorms will be taking place in Southeastern Texas, especially Houston, on Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Because the cold air is coming from the Arctic, it's going to meet with the subtropical jet stream that can trigger a severe thunderstorm watch for Houston, Texas. When there's a tornado warning, head down to the basement. Stay away from the windows and stay in the interior of the houses in Houston, Texas. Because the warm, moist air is coming from the Gulf of Mexico. It's going to meet with the cold air coming from Canada. That means it's going to be a severe thunderstorm warning for Houston, Texas. People in Houston, order your pizzas and order your Chinese food and buy cases of pop. Have your flashlights ready. Have your candles ready. Have your extra batteries ready. Have your crank-up radio ready. Have your cell phones charged. iPads charged. 3G internet ready. iPods charged. Because thunderstorms is going to be real powerful in Houston on Tuesday, January the 8th, 2013. Best of luck to you. People in Houston, don't forget to wear your rubber boots, raincoats and rain suits and hip waders. Good luck. Have your rain gear ready. For people in Houston, Texas, good luck. And stay safe. Don't go near the trees and stay indoors. Because the thunderstorm is going to be real powerful. And the power will go out. Good luck and stay safe.